All right, folks, back out here at the creek again, and I got my buddy Garrett out here with me today. He got himself a green sunfish. We hadn't been out here for very long.
Oh, he did this one all kinds of wrong.
Man,
I barely even hooked him.
it's a big fish too. Big old fat fella.
Can I have my hook back, please? There we go. Oop.
Okay.
Okay,
Well,
bye.
now he's covered in dirt,
Okay.
so that's
Take
nice.
that, please. Sorry, little Bubba. He was pretty.
Yeah, very pretty. Good sized fish. Heck yeah. It's a good start to the day. Especially because just a few weeks ago, there was a sewage spill that ended up getting out here into the creek, and it killed off a whole bunch of the life that was in this water. Thankfully, it seems like there's still some good fish in here, and it seems like the ecosystem is getting back up to normal again. And the fish are starting to bite, and it doesn't seem like it's that bad out here. So we're going to give it a try, fish out here for a couple hours and see what happens. Well, we haven't had much more luck out here, but we're working on getting to our spots that we usually fish at. And the water level over here, there's a little section where a natural dam has formed. A bunch of brush and stuff has floated over to a culvert and blocked that culvert off. And the water level back here behind it is like 3 feet, maybe 4 feet higher than it usually is. This little section here, we usually just walk straight across right there, and then we go up the hill there. So this is pretty crazy out here. I'm happy about it. It's good for the ecosystem, but not great for us to try and get to our fishing spots. Yeah, finally got one. We've been out here for about, what, an hour and a half?
About that.
And we've come to a little section that I've never been to before. And first cast, literally, like right after this thing hit the water, got me a little green sunfish. There he is. Beautiful fish. Got real good colors on him. Nice and pretty. I've hooked myself. Wonderful. Get him back out there. Oh, he swam right off into that current. Silly little fella. Heck yeah. At least I finally got one. Shoot. Garrett was giving me crap about not catching anything.
She usually catches everything, though.
Yeah, I usually tear it up. But heck yeah, I'm gonna get a couple more casts out in here. I'm gonna try and move a little, let Garrett get some casts in there, see if he gets anything. Maybe I'll be able to catch a couple, we'll see. Alright, folks, we didn't have much luck out at the creek. We caught one fish each out there. We did a little bit of exploring though, had a good time with it. So now I'm out here and the geese are just making all sorts of noise for no reason. See if I can't catch some carp. I'm gonna sit out here for a couple hours and see what happens. We'll go from there with it, see how it goes. Alright folks, I've been out here for a little while and I hadn't had much luck. I had one get hooked earlier and he came off. Tighten this drag down a little. Ooh, feisty little fella. Finally managed to get one out here. Good golly. It's okay, buddy. Stop it. There he is. It's a decent carp. Feels pretty hefty. Get him unhooked here and get him back out in the water. Very nice. Easy peasy to unhook with that circle hook. Do it one-handed. I suppose for the fun of it, stop it. For the fun of it, I'm gonna get a weight on him. Maybe. Okay, cool. Ready? He ain't heavy. 1 pound, 13 5/8 of an ounce. Not super big or anything. Good fish though. Ooh, gosh, it is super muddy. Holy cow. Oh gosh, it's even less solid over here. I'm gonna die. I just need to get to the water to wash off my stuff here. There we go. Here we go. This is the spot. Ooh, very good. First fish at this pond anyway. I'm gonna get rebaited and get cast back out, see what happens with it. Maybe we'll catch us another one. All right, folks, finally got another one. Had my bait stolen like 5 times. Oh, he's a tiny little fella. I don't even know how I hooked him. Oh, they fight so dang hard though. Doesn't even matter how big they are. Well, might not be able to unhook this guy, dang. Ow, you bugger. I guess. Oh, he almost had it. Go on, fella. Go on. Man, it's too muddy right here. I can't get in the water. Dang it. I'm gonna have to start pulling them fish up over here where it's not super slick. I lied. It's slick here too. Lord. I'm gonna die out here. Okay, well that was fun. Ah, tiny little fella. Alright, well, I'm getting bit pretty good. Didn't take long at all. I pretty much just turned the camera back off. So we will sit here for just a second. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up and kind of get it ready. See what happens. Had a couple pretty good pops on it. Nothing that took drag, but saw the end of it pop down pretty good, so. Sit here and hold it for a minute and see what happens. Maybe we'll catch another one here. maybe after those 2 real good pops, they stole my bait, because now I don't feel anything. Matter of fact, I'm gonna check it, because I'm pretty sure the bait is gone. These dead-gum fish, I've had my bait stolen probably 15 or 20 times while I've been out here fishing. Not hooking anything. I get 2 good pops or 3 good pops and then it just stops. And it's because they stole my dang bait. These fish out here are getting smart. Which is good for them, I guess, but not so good for the fishermen who come out here. So I'm gonna grab another little piece of bread here, and I guess I'll get rebaited and cast back out. See what happens. I will say I usually use just regular old white bread. I decided to try this stuff, and it seems like it's working better than just the regular old white bread I usually get, so I may start buying the honey wheat instead. Start using that as my fishing bread. Alright, well, got another one. This time, something a little different. Honestly, don't know how in the world I managed to get catfish. But I got a catfish, so. And he got the line all wrapped around his head. I'm gonna bring you over here where the ground's not mushy. And we're in the sunlight, so it'll be nice and easy to see. He's not too bad. Let me get him untangled here. I don't know what happened here. Oh my goodness. Okay, fella, calm down. Calm down. I'll see if I can do this the easy way. There he is. Tiny little catfish. I mean, I say tiny, he's decent. He's a catfish, you know. Let go of the hook. Oh, you little booger. These catfish have pretty strong mouths. I can't get him to open his mouth. So there he goes. And he's free. Very cool. I wasn't expecting a catfish. I'm out here fishing for carp, so it's pretty cool though. I'll take it. I'm gonna get rebaited and cast back out. I'll bet that's what's been stealing my bait. All